This is the last vlog in the series of doing my dad's bedroom up, so he can move in with me. Yeah, this is the reveal. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is the reveal of my dad's bedroom and little ensuite. Yeah, really excited. I'm trying to get this filmed as quickly as possible. I've just got in from night shift, and Kev and my son Thomas have just gone to pick my dad up, get the last few bits out of his house and bring it here. So I need to do the reveal video like ASAP. I'm not going to film my dad's reaction. He's not keen on having a camera pointed in his face basically, but I will let you know what he says. So without further ado, a little sneak peek for you. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. If you have liked this series of vlog that I've done on my dad's room, I have the whole house to decorate. So the next room is my beauty room. So again, if you like videos like this, make sure to subscribe and definitely hit that thumbs up button just to let me know that you are interested. But let's wander in. Here is the view from the door as you walk in. It's nice and light and airy. There is a lot in this room and I don't think it looks overcrowded. It doesn't feel it in any way. I hope it doesn't come across that way. But yeah, I'm going to take you off the tripod and we will have a walk around. Right, so like I say, this is from the door and we shall walk on in. So if we turn, we have, it looks a bit of a mess on there at the moment. It's got my phone there and all that. We have this little shelf to put on his telly. It sits on his telly and then I'm going to put his skybox on there. Obviously when he moves here with his telly, we can do that in a few hours. So this is from IKEA. Everything that is in this room, I will try my very best to link in the description box. So if you want to treat yourself to anything or you think I need that in my life, yeah, you can just click on the link and get it. Them are two cloth cubes. Them are two little cupboards. I thought they would be good for his medication and basically, well, anything really he wants. We have his fridge freezer here, brand new. I've just noticed, oh no, it's got some dents in the side. Oh well, we won't notice them, will we? No. And above the fridge freezer we have the microwave. I originally wanted the microwave on this little kitchen unit thing that we bought, but it didn't look right on there at all. It didn't really fit properly either. So we've just kept it to his kettle and his toaster. When he gets here, he has a tea canister and a sugar canister, which will be going right there for the most important thing for his cuppers. And obviously we can put food in here, plates, cups, glasses, whatever, cereal, anything that he wants to keep in here. The idea is where he can be self-sufficient in here, and then for the bigger meals, when he wants to join in with what we're having, I can obviously plate him some up. And then on the wall, just above the TV cabinet and fridge and microwave, we have a little picture shelf. I actually bought 3 of these on Amazon. And yeah, we'll pop some of my dad's pictures on there. It's going to be a mishmash of frames, but I don't want to change the frames because my mum is the one that framed the pictures. But yeah, I have 2 spare ones because it was just going to be too cluttered putting all 3 up there. So I'll probably put them other 2 in my beauty room. And then that wallpaper, I love the wallpaper. The wallpaper started the theme of the yellow. I think the yellow is so nice and inviting. I chose this wallpaper basically because my dad likes wearing, he's got a multitude of check shirts, and when I saw this I thought of my dad, so I thought what better reason to get it than that, you know what I mean? We have, next to the kitchen unit, we have his bedside table. And yeah, I found that alarm clock with the time on. I think it's fantastic. The time is nice and large, and obviously it's yellow, it goes with the room. And I just thought it was nice and funky. My dad doesn't like ticking clocks. The tick annoys him, so we thought we'd just keep it to the little alarm clock. We have the lamp here. It's a touch lamp. So yeah, you just touch the base and it comes on. You touch it a few times and the brightness gets higher and then it dulls down. And then the moving in present is this, a nice bottle of whiskey for my dad to enjoy. He's not a big drinker at all. He likes a tot of whiskey before he goes to bed. And yeah, we have the electric bed. Have you seen the video, guys, on me reviewing this bed? It's a must see. It is so good. I'll link it just up here for you to have a look at, give it a click. I found this bedding on Amazon. And yeah, grey and yellow theme. I didn't know which way to lay the bed in, but I thought we'll do it with the grey and then just with a pop of colour, just fold it back so you can see the yellow. I thought yellow would have been too much. Then I found these curtains, I think was on Amazon. I think it is, yeah. I again linked them down below. And I thought, oh my god, they go with the wallpaper. So nice. Not an exact match in the check, but I think it looks nice in any way. A bit disappointing, the blinds that I bought for the window. Yeah, it's not happening. Just at the top there, the lintel, my husband says is basically steel. So you can see that hole there. We need to polyfill it and paint it, because that's how we found out the lintel was steel. So yeah, we are going to get some neck curtains for my dad. And then at the foot of the bed, leading into the bathroom, we have a little linen box or bag thing here. That's my dad's dirty washing. So that is that. Oh, and in the centre of the room, we have his chair and puff. And a little, this is actually a computer table from Amazon. And I saw it and I thought, you know what, that would be good just for sitting at his table, put his cuppas on. Well, basically it can be a coffee table stroke dining table for him, if ever he just wants to stay up here and eat up here. And I got that because it was cheaper than an actual table on wheels. Do you know, like the hospital table on wheels? Yeah, they're so expensive. It's absolutely crazy. But that I thought is a good alternative. The chair is from IKEA. The cushions are from Wilkinson's. The chair is really comfortable. It doesn't look that comfortable when you look at it, but when I sat down on it, I thought, oh my god, yeah, it's so comfy. The arms are a bit thin, but when you sit in it, you don't notice it. But I thought, just in case, got some nice puffy cushions so my dad can put them over if it's not good enough. The puff I love. The puff is on an angle, so when you put your feet up, there's no pressure on your heels. So if I just show you. So yeah, that's the puff, and yeah, it goes down. So your calves go here and your feet go down at the bottom. I think it's really good. Yeah, and then there's plenty of room to walk on this side, and again, if he wants to potter around in the kitchen area of his room, there's a bit of foot room here too, which is fabulous. Oh yeah, we've got a little bin there. I think it's just a little cheapy one from Asda. And then we walk through. Oh, and the piece of resistance is my mama. So we had this picture. We actually got this picture blown up for her funeral, and ever since I framed it and put it on my dad's wall in his house, and then I stole it away and painted the frame white because it was black, and I think it goes with the room lovely. And yeah, she can keep a beady eye on my dad. We have the Pax unit here. The trouble we had with this, I tell you, but I think it looks absolutely fantastic. So hello, told you I was in my pajamas. So oh, there's some fingerprints on that glass that needs cleaning. But yeah, I love it, absolutely love it. I think it's amazing. This is the 35 centimeter depth. This is a 50 width one, and this is the 75 width one. So the 35cm depth, say it properly, looks like that. The 58 one, which is the next size up, comes to about here, which is basically just under double of what it is, and that would have just taken all of this room away, unfortunately. Open this up. Opening the door up, we have two shelves which are exactly the same height as the other one, a rail for him to hang his clothes. It's not a huge wardrobe, but he hasn't got a lot, to be honest, a lot of clothes. And here are just a couple of photos just to show the final finish of the room in its entirety, and I'm really happy the way that it's come out. But now we'll walk into the bathroom, or the ensuite. Just open that a minute. It's a bit dark in here for a while, but when we get in there I'll close the door because the window's right behind the door. So yeah, we'll start down here. So we've got some bath mats there. I've put the other bath mat by the sink because it won't actually stay where it is. This is the shower, the entrance to the shower, and when I open the door it kind of moves the mat, so it's there, and then when he wants a shower he'll close the door and then put the mat there. But yeah, slowly rising up, we have the yellow accessories and the towel sets. I just think it goes so well. Exactly the same colour on the walls as in the bedroom. And then we have the pictures, and I just put the wallpaper there because I thought it'll tie both rooms in lovely. Oh, I think so anyway. In the shower, I got a little shower caddy to hang over the glass of the shower, so you can just hang some of his stuff there. I've started him off with a shampoo and a shower gel and some little scrubbers. So now we have a little bit more light to play with. So as we walk around the shower, we have the toilet. And again, more of the yellow accessories. And I really like it. The chrome goes really nice with the grey on the walls. And we have the toilet roll holder. Very weird place for a toilet roll holder. I do know what you're thinking, but my dad has a colostomy bag. That's why it's there, because it's definitely convenient for him. And again, this room is for him, so... and as we about turn... Oh, hello, it's you again, hi. Yeah, we turn around and then we have the window that is behind the door. So I just put a little bit of decoration on the window. I don't think my dad's going to appreciate it. I think that's more for me than him. Just some fake little plants that I got from Wilkinson's. And then a mirror for him. If he needs to get close up, he can just pick it up and move it around wherever he wants. And then up top there, I have a rod with a vial on there. So it's kind of like a half violet. When he comes halfway down, you could either have it on the bottom half or the top half. My husband said he thinks the top half, so we've put it up there. Basically because where the handle of the window is to open it, if I put it on the bottom half, it would cover or obstruct the handle, basically. And again, here are just a few photos just showing the entirety of the bathroom. Simple, with a little touch of colour, and it ties in with the bedroom lovely. Yeah, so that is the room with the ensuite. It's not a massive room by any means, but I think it's going to meet my dad's needs very nicely. I hope that you like it. More importantly, I hope that my dad likes it. He should be here in a few hours' time to put a claim on this room. Fingers crossed I haven't disappointed. I don't think I have. I think I've done an okay job. It's been stressful doing this room, but it's been fun at the same time. Please let me know if you are interested in me doing more vlogs of doing the rest of the house. We've basically unpacked and everything like that. All of that's done. It's decoration is what we need doing. And yeah, my beauty room is next. So if you want me to start vlogging that, definitely let me know by hitting that thumbs up button and commenting down below, just so I know that you're interested. I've never done any videos like this before, so I don't know. Well, I hope this series has turned out okay. fingers crossed. But yes, this room, this vlog is complete. But thank you so much for joining me on this journey. I hope me and my husband haven't been too weird. But yeah, that concludes this video. So again, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.